This video is made for anybody with a new body style, Honda Foreman 500. A big issue that these four-wheelers have is this bike, it lives in the water. I'm always in deep water. And I was in the water the other day and my four-wheel drive and my diff lock would just sit there and flash and flash and flash. And I'd try and lock it in four-wheel drive, press the button and lock the diff in. It would never go in. But the way I would get it in four-wheel drive was I would push four-wheel drive and the diff locker in, turn the key off, and turn the four-wheeler back on, then it would be engaged. Well, a lot of people say that you can't even see the connector because it's full of mud, but a lot of people say that that connector gets wet and the four-wheel drive stops working, but I have found that that is not the case. Up here, these bunch of relays in here, there are 3 bolts on that cover right there. You pull that off and these relays slide out, and you can see how they're all wet. I have never greased these, never put grease in them. These 3 diodes right here, 1, 2, and 3 right there, these are what is actually causing it to start flashing and not work. So what you need to do is pull these 2 out and then pull that little diode out right there, spray it out with air, your air compressor, spray all the water out, and then you need to put grease in them. I'm finna do all these relays, all 6 of them, or yeah, all 6, 8 of them, however many there are. And I'm gonna pull these off and do those. Just any connector I can find right in here, I'm gonna pull it apart and put grease in it. But yeah, guys, that right there is what would cause your four-wheel drive to flash on the newest body style Honda Foremans. I hope this was helpful to some of you guys. Peace out.